You're looking live at picture perfect weather conditions for the second day of July. That is a live view from the Earth Cam at the Charlottesville Albemarle Regional Airport. Just a few friendly clouds in our blue sky and a high sunburn index still this time of the year. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. The next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is going to be an isolated severe weather risk on the 4th of July. Right now we are in a level 1 out of 5 for a severe thunderstorm. Until then, in that first forecast for your Tuesday, daytime highs a little bit warmer than yesterday, mostly in the low to mid 80s, a couple degrees still below average for this time in early July. We'll call it low to mid 80s on both sides of the Blue Ridge, and eventually a more southerly wind will begin to give us a boost in that temperature and the humidity as we go into tomorrow and especially on the 4th of July. Right now we are high and dry on 29 First Alert Doppler radar. We have high pressure, our fair weather friend. It is large and in charge up and down the eastern seaboard. As this high moves off the east coast, we're going to get a warmer southwesterly wind, and that's going to give us that chance for a shower and thunderstorm, especially once this weather disturbance over the upper plain states and the Great Lakes begin to head our way later on Thursday afternoon. We can track it now. Our high-res weather tracker shows a few passing clouds today, tonight, into Wednesday. A more southerly wind on Wednesday, bringing up that heat and the humidity, and it will definitely be hot, hazy, and humid on the 4th of July. Here's Thursday morning at 7. It's okay, a nice sunrise, and then 1 o'clock to 6 p.m. from west to east, a chance for a shower, downpour, and thunderstorm across the area, and a localized severe thunderstorm cannot be ruled out. Localized damaging winds will be the primary threat with any thunderstorm that gets going on Thursday. And look at this, just in time for fireworks displays. Here's 10 p.m. on Thursday evening. So far, so good. We should not see Mother Nature's fireworks as the storm should begin to exit. And then on Friday into the weekend, especially Saturday, that might be the best chance for a scattered storm, and Sunday may be the driest of the 2 weekend days. And here comes a heat wave after a nice break in this excessive heat. Beginning Thursday through the weekend, daytime highs will be a bit above average in the 90s, low 90s to mid 90s, but it will feel closer to 100 degrees with a heat index. Powerful hurricane Category 5 Beryl heading closer to Jamaica on towards Thursday, but it will likely weaken to a Category 1 hurricane into the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico on Friday, and maybe a tropical storm impacting South Texas at the end of the weekend. Forecast for today, sun and clouds, highs in the 80s. For tonight, one more pleasant overnight with lows upper 50s and low 60s. Your Wednesday outlook, we're back in the 80s to near 90 degrees, hot sunshine, but still relatively dry. 7-day forecast, a storm chance on Thursday before sunset, in the 90s Friday and this weekend with isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. Steve?